Craving ka ba ng sisig hooray pero gusto mo homemade version? Eto na yon, sizzling, meaty at sobrang sarap. Hi, it's me Aimee and today, gagawa tayo ng homemade sizzling sisig. First, pakulan lang natin yung pork belly with pepper, salt, garlic, laurel leaves, at lemongrass hanggang maging tender. Once tender na, hanguin lang natin at palamigin sa isang dry rack. Kapag cool na, ipoke lang natin using fork yung ibabaw ng pork, then brushan lang natin ng oil bago natin iprito o i-air fry hanggang maging golden brown at medyo crispy yung edges. While waiting maluto yung pork, ipan fry muna natin yung chicken liver na gagamitin natin para sa sauce. Once cooked, i-blend or i-mash lang natin yung liver, then ihalo yung mayonnaise, salt, pepper, liquid seasoning, calamansi, then haluin lang na mabuti until well combined. Kayo nang bahala sa timpla na gusto nyo. Next, mag-chop lang din tayo ng white onions or pwede din red kung anong available sa inyo. Then green chili na ihalo din natin at itatoppings mamaya. Once ready na yung crispy pork, hiwain lang natin and then i-chop into small pieces. Then, ihalo na natin yung sauce hanggang maging well-coated lahat ng pork. Then, maglagay tayo ng onions and green chili. Magtira lang tayo ng konti for toppings later. Once okay na, i-prepare na natin yung ating sizzling plate. And kapag mainit na, pwede na natin lagyan ng margarine or butter. Then, ilagay na natin yung sisig mixture. After a few minutes, kapag medyo toasted na yung ilalim, lagyan na natin ng itlog at ng crushed chicharon on top para mas authentic at mas masarap. Then, haluin lang para hindi masunog yung ilalim. Lastly, ilagay na natin yung natirang onions and green chilies, pati na rin yung crushed chicharon as toppings. And that's it! Homemade sizzling sisig. Creamy, sizzling, at perfect pang pulutan or pang ulam with extra rice. So try nyo na din. For sure, mapapadami kayo ng kain. So ayun lang and see you on my next video. Bye!